Okay, so I want to show you how to export your chat from ChatGPT, whether it is a single chat or multiple chats that you want to export from ChatGPT into your computer in different format. You can do that with Superpower ChatGPT Extension. So first thing you need to do is to go to Google, Superpower ChatGPT, click on the first link, and you'll go to this page. There's a button at the top that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button and it will add the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension to your browser, go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, the extension start to load inside ChatGPT, and once it syncs all of your chat, you will be able to use all the feature of the extension. As you can see, I already have the extension here. There are a bunch of features at the top: the folders, search bar, export, delete, gallery. Talk about all these features in other videos. In this video, we are going to focus on the export feature. So how do you export a chat? There are different ways to export chats with Superpower ChatGPT. First thing you can do is to click here. There is an export all button on the sidebar. You can click on this button and it will export all of your chat. So it will open this modal. It shows you the different options you have: the Markdown, JSON, and text. These are the different type of format that you have, that option you have that you can select to export your chat. You can select Markdown if you're planning to use your chat in another Markdown editor. If you just want plain text, you can select the text. And if you want the JSON, you can select the JSON. One thing about the JSON format is that if you select JSON, the exported chat will have the exact same format as how OpenAI save your chats in their database. So it's pretty much like identical to the format of the chat in OpenAI API response. So because of that, it has a bunch of like extra information in there, like the model that was used, or like the metadata, all those extra things that you may or may not need those information. But if you export your chat as JSON, it does give you like all the information that is available to your conversation, to your chat. And in the future, if you ever want to, like, I don't know, import those chat into another software that support the same format, or build a product that allows you to use that same format, you can do that. With Markdown and text, it's just going to be like a text with a little bit of maybe formatting in Markdown and no formatting in text. So it doesn't give you all the extra information like a model and metadata, those type of things. So keep that in mind when you're selecting the type of the format of your export. Another small tip here is that if you ever want to know how many total chats you have, all you need to do is to just click on the export all, and it will show you the total number of chats. This is the small tip to figure out like how many chats you have in total in Superpower ChatGPT. So once you select the chat, you can just click on the export button and it will start exporting all of your chats. It will create a zip file of all of your chats, and it will download that zip file into your computer. I'm going to stop it right now. We don't need to do that. So that's one way to export chat. Another way to export chat is to, let's say you don't want to export all of your chats. You just want to export a limited number of your chats, maybe like the last 10 chats or something. You can go here. If you pay attention to the export all button, you can go here and start selecting the chats that you want. Just hover over the chat, the checkbox appear, and start selecting the checkbox. And as you can see, the export button now says export for selected. If I keep selecting it, it's gonna say 5, 6, whatever. Another tip here: if you want to select a range of conversation, you can select the first one, then hold down Shift and select the second one, and it will select all the chats between the first one and the last one. So that's another way to select your chats. Again, once you have all of these, you can click on the export stick selected, and it will show you the same modal. This time it says 0 out of 6 because you're only exporting 6 chats. Again, you have the option to select the format here and export the chats into a zip file. So that's another way. You can always clear the selection by clicking on the new chat button at the top. So if you pay attention to the top, when you start selecting, the new chat button turns into clear selection. So if you click on that, it will clear the selection and it goes back to new chat button, and it will just does what new chat button does. So that's the second way to export chat from ChatGPT. The last way to select chats from ChatGPT is to go to an individual conversation. Let's just say you just want to export one conversation, and maybe even you don't even have the sidebar open. You always keep the sidebar closed, for example. Once you start a new conversation, you just use a short key to start a new conversation. You start your conversation, and then you want to export that chat. You can just go up here. There's a menu at the top right. You can click on this menu, and in this menu, you have 3 options right here: export as Markdown, export as text, and export as JSON. You can very easily export, you click on any of these buttons to export the conversation into your computer. The one difference here is that the export button here, the difference here is that if you click on these, it won't create a zip file. It just create a file with that format and save that into your computer. But if you're clicking on the export all button, it creates a zip file of all the conversation. The reason we do that is because it's easier to just download the zip file, and it can be like we can compress the size of the file to a smaller size when you're downloading the zip file into your computer. Then you can unzip the file and like have access to all of your conversation. But if you're only exporting a single file, we don't need to zip it or compress it. You can just export that one file. Another tip here is that if you are using these buttons, once you click on the export, like I'm going to just show you now, if I click on export as text, it also copy the file into the clipboard. So I have access to I can immediately paste the conversation into, I'm going to just show you now here. This is the exported text file. I can immediately paste it into another text editor or another editor in general. So that's another benefit of exporting single conversation. Another small tip about the multiple export is that when you export the conversation using this button, the export all button, or like export like multiple selected conversations in the zip file will be grouped by date. So let's just do a quick export here. I'm going to select maybe a few here. Export 9 selected. I'm going to export as Markdown, export, and I'm going to save the conversation. I'm going to go to the conversations and open the lib file and go to the folder. Conversation. As you can see, the conversations are now in 2 different folders. So, and the folders are by date. So that's how the Superpower ChatGPT group your conversation. So it makes it easier for you to find the conversation later based on the date. So this is how the export feature works with Superpower ChatGPT. It allows you to export all of your conversation or some of your conversation. You can export individual. You can always, if you just want to copy the text into your clipboard, all you need to do is to just go here, click on export text. It will copy the whole conversation. You don't even have to save it. It will just copy the whole conversation into your clipboard. And from there, you can just paste it in another editor. So that's how you just copy the whole conversation. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Hope you like it. Thank you.